Guys, I will show you now the reason of defects which you see here. I will open now the square table with if possible, I ask you to make line not on this way, but this way, because I leave it like this side. I need to have the same. Okay? Okay, thank you. You can see here that the turbout is broken. It's broken. I ask by myself what's happened, and after I open the table, I became to understood why. Because the box is bigger than it needed, because the table is smaller, and this box is more bigger than it need. You can see here. You can see here. It's correct. It's in this part. It's correct. Maybe correct. Yeah. But it is too bigger than table. It is 4 centimeters. If you can put this one, you can understand that the thickness of box is 2 centimeters bigger than it's needed. Therefore, the sizes of box broken. You can tell me that it's happened that you use these corners, but can you explain what function it's make? I think that it doesn't matter what corners you use, because I can show you 2 kinds of corners: yours corners and corners which I have before. And these corners you can use also here, but it will protect this, it will give the same function. But I can tell you that I am not sure that these corners, fully formed corners, give protectional function for this table, because the main protection function gives outside corners, which goes all over the box from front and from back side. And in this case, what happened, you can see what happened with this, because it is very big box. The thickness is more than 2 centimeters than we needed. In this case, you can use the smaller one, or but I see now that last container I received with paper corner, but now I received only polyform. It means you can use the small polyform corner, or you can use just paper corner. Doesn't matter. No protectional function of corner which use inside. You can use this one, or you can use this one or this one, but not this big one. I will explain you why. Sometimes when this table came back for me after customer, and boxes has very bad condition, I unpack. I packed the tables in my own other box, and I use in this box the smaller corners or corners from paper. It is my own box. I put here the table. You can see. It has the size which need for this table. Not big one like in your. And in this case, I can use two kinds. This one or this one. Doesn't matter, because it don't nothing protectional function of inside corner. Come here. And now we can check what we got. This is your regular box. And this box, my box, which I received. You can check the sizes. And I will write to you later. I will show you now. Keep it, please. I will show you now. I think you see that my size is some smaller, but I will write you later. See, it is 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters. My box have 9.5 centimeters thickness. Thick. Yeah? Not more than 10. 10. 9.5 centimeters. Your is 11. And what about sizes? If your box is 81, my box is 79. I hope you believe me that the size of my box is smaller than your box. Okay, and I will write you later and will show you that total volume of my box is about 15, more than 15% volume less than your box. And I will show you how much money I lost with your boxes. Okay, thank you.